हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं सतीश पंडित एंड वेलकम टू आवर चैनल साइंस के साथ। दोस्तों, आज का हमारा पहला लेक्चर है एचएससी का 12th क्लास का। स्पेशली बताना चाहता हूं, हम महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड का स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कोई भी यहां पर पढ़ सकता है क्योंकि स्टडी तो हर एक जैसी ही होती है, लेकिन स्पेशली जो पॉइंट टू पॉइंट होते हैं, जो टॉपिक वाइज सीरियल वाइज पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं, वो है महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड का। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला हम केमिस्ट्री का सिलेबस करते हैं और सिलेबस के कौन से टॉपिक है वो जानते हैं डिटेल में। Now discuss the sections of chemistry syllabus. Here sections is the branches of chemistry. The branches of chemistry is more than 20 branches, but we have to learn only 3 to 4 main branches. But 3 is the most important. So first is the physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and last is the organic chemistry. So these are the 3 main branches of chemistry and our section. And now fourth section is applied chemistry. Application based study is included in this section. So now let's move chapters. So the first chapter of our syllabus is solid state. So in this chapter we have to learn the solid state. Mainly we have seen that 3 main states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. But in this syllabus, our syllabus solid state, we have to learn only solid state. So what are the types of solids and their structures, their dimensions, and what are the constituent particles of solid, means molecules, atoms, and based on their compounds. So we have to distinguish these solids, and we have to study these their structures and dimensions according to their constituent particles. Second chapter is solutions. In this chapter we have to learn types of solutions, types of mixtures, and the colligative properties. Colligative properties means collective properties of liquids and gases and solids. We have to consider this like as a vapor pressures or more than this. We have to learn this. And another is basics 3 to 4 laws regarding to these liquids and gaseous state. Third chapter is ionic equilibria. In this chapter the main contents are acid base theories, different theories according to their definitions, and equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, ion, cation, then the electrolyte, then ionization, then hydrolysis of salts, electrolysis, pH, OH, relations between pH and pOH of acids, base, acidity, basicity, and neutral solutions. These are the main content. Fourth number chapter is chemical thermodynamics. In this chapter we have to learn the thermodynamics laws, first law, second law, zeroth law, and heat, energy, and others basic concepts, which is physical chemistry. Chapter number 5, electrochemistry. In this we have to learn from the resistance, conductivity, molar conductivity, and other properties regarding to electricity, and the types of cell, that is electrolytic cell, electrochemical cell. Next chapter, chemical kinetics. In this chapter we have to learn what is mean by rate of reactions. Kinetics means rate of reactions, that are factors affecting rate of reactions, molecularity, order of reactions, and main is rate law. Our next chapter is from periodic table, that is P block elements. We have seen that group number 13th, 14th and 15th in the 11th standard. So in this present standard we have to learn group number 16th, 17th and 18th elements, their physical properties, chemical properties, and their compounds. Next chapter is again from periodic table, that is D block elements and F block elements, namely transitions element and inner transitions element. D block elements are known as transition elements and F block elements are known as inner transitions element. So in this chapter main contents are physical and chemical properties of their elements, their structure, their periodic traits, and their compounds. Next chapter, chapter number 9 from coordination chemistry, and this is known as coordination compounds. So coordination compounds are the compounds formed by coordinate bond. Coordinate bond is another types of chemical bonds. We have seen this ionic bond and covalent bond in previous standard, or also we have to learn in this solid state first chapter. So the main contents from these chapters are terms regarding to coordination chemistry, complexes, ligands and types of ligands, types of coordinate compounds and their chemical properties and isomerism in coordination chemistry. So our chapter number 10 is from organic chemistry and name is halogen derivatives. So what is meant by halogen derivatives? This means when one or more hydrogen atoms from any cyclic or alicyclic or aliphatic compounds is replaced by any halogen atoms. Halogen atom means the elements which are coming from group number 17, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, that all elements are from group number 17. So these are known as halogen derivatives. Main contents are their properties, their characters, their nomenclatures and compounds, main compounds of halogen derivatives. Chapter number 11 from organic chemistry, name is alcohol, phenol and ethers. So these are the functional groups, main functional groups from 18 functional groups. So we have to see their preparation processes and chemical reactions and also have to see their main compound. Chapter number 12, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Again these are functional group from organic chemistry. Chapter number 13, amines, functional group, again same like as before chapters. So preparations, chemical reactions and compounds. Chapter number 14, biomolecules. In this chapter the main contents are biomolecules, types of biomolecules, that is carbohydrates, fatty acids, proteins, lipids, peptides and other such molecules. Chapter number 15, introduction to polymer chemistry. In this chapter main contents are polymerizations, the reactions of polymerizations and preparation, how to prepare the polymer, what are the types of polymer. So our last chapter, chapter number 16 is green chemistry and nano. This is a very important chapter from all these 16 chapter because it is applied chemistry. This is application based chapter. So friends, this is our syllabus of chemistry. From 4 sections we have seen physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry and applied chemistry. So in the next video we will start our first chapter, solid state. So दोस्तों हमारे साथ बने रहने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। साइंस के साथ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपनी पढ़ाई स्टार्ट कीजिए 12th साइंस।